Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you if in your case iOS 17 update is not showing you, that how you can fix this problem. You guys can see here, this is my iPhone 13 Pro model, and in my this iPhone I'm just going to update my iPhone 13 Pro on iOS 17 RC latest version. So in order to update, I have to just simply jump to the settings, and in the settings just find here general, and here you have to just tap on software updates, and here you guys can see it is showing iOS 17.0 is up to date, but there is a latest version of iOS 17 RC version, so now it's not showing right now. So how we can enable this option so that update is able to show us? Okay, so just click on beta updates, select iOS 17 developer beta. Now jump back and you will see iOS 17 latest version. The size of this update is 6.25 GB. You can just simply click on update now, and that's it, your update will be installed. So whether we need to update or not, let me show you this one. So today is 13th of September, but I'll suggest you have to wait until 18th of September so that Apple can release the official stable version of iOS 17, so that you do not face any type of bugs. So just wait for 18th September and you can just install the latest and stable iOS 17 version. But right now it is showing RC version, so that you may have any type of bugs in this RC version. So I suggest you to wait until 18th of this month and install then. So this is the very simple fix. Hope you guys find this method helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.